You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French name pronunciation: French officer, French army officer of the French Revolutionary Wars. Rouget de Lisle is how it's said in French. Alright, so let's hear it again. Rouget, rouget, so you could say it as rouget in English. De Lisle, the S is silent here. Rouget de Lisle is how it's said in French. France correctly in French. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.